Our electronic signs are built here in Australia and they're made to the highest quality standards. We have a dedicated team that puts it all together, overseen by a fully qualified electrician. Well, we only use the best material available, so we use a thick wall, hot dip galvanised steel frame, and we also use heavy duty boxes for the batteries and aluminium checker plate. I think as a whole package, the VMS boards that we produce are second to none. We have two options available. We have the Essentials, which is the base model, and the Classic, which is the top of the range model. Both are available in amber and 5 colour. With the Classic, it has got extras like extra batteries and a tilt and rotate solar panel. Display messages can be changed fairly easily with remote, either by using a smart device or a laptop, and they can use selected icons already built into the system. If they want to change speed signs, they just press the button and it comes up on the screen. They are very easy to deploy, and not only that, they've got a built-in GPS system, so once they're deployed you'll know exactly where your boards are right around Australia, and if they get moved, an alarm will be sent to your smart device. All our customers are supported by a 24/7 telephone support system which is based in Australia. To find out more about our electronic signs, visit saferoads.com.au or call us on 1800 Saferoads.